Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect PS5 controller to PC and laptop. So you've got two options. When it comes to connecting your controller to your PC, the first way is by using a wire. So I just like to use the wire it came with, and that's a USB to USB-C. Alternatively, you can use Bluetooth as well, but of course your computer needs to have a Bluetooth. Firstly, I'll show you how you can do it. Using the wire, here's my controller and here's the wire, and so all you need to do is grab the USB-C end and plug it in the top of your controller up here. So plug it in just like so, and then what we can do is plug this end into our computer. When you plug it in, your controller will then glow orange like that, and it's that simple. To go and connect your controller with the cable, if you want to use Bluetooth, you first need to open up your settings. So click on the start button at the bottom and then click on settings. And then what you want to do is go over to the left and click on Bluetooth devices. And then you want to click on add device at the top here or next to devices. You can just tap on add device, go and click on Bluetooth like this. And what we need to do is go and put our controller into Bluetooth pairing mode. To do this, all you need to do is on your controller is hold the PlayStation button and this button here in the top left of your controller. So I'm going to hold them both now just like this and keep holding them down until your controller is flashing blue like that, and on your computer it will then say add a device. And as you can see, here's the controller here, and then what you can do is go and click on it. It will say connecting, and it's now connected, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching these videos. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.